students, welcome to FreeCAD modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model part 103 from cadexpert.com. You can get this part sketch on website cadexpert.com under 3D drawing. So let's start the modeling of this part. So to model this part, the modeling approach will be that I will make a rectangular box and then I will adopt this cut features and hole. So let's start the model. So to start the model, we create a new file, and my default workbench is part design. So I will create a body and then create a sketch. So if we look our part orientation, so I will draw my sketch on this exit plane. So I'll select this plane, say OK, and I will create my sketch. So I will draw this front view, and I will keep this circle at the origin. So first I create my sketch. So here I draw a box profile. So if you're seeing, my dimensions are coming under yellow because red dimensions, as I have a gradient background, so red dimension was very difficult to view in YouTube videos. So that's why I have changed my dimension color from red to yellow. If you wanted to change your dimension color, then go to the edit and preferences and sketcher and colors. So here is the dimension constraint color, and here I have given the yellow. So you can do the same, or you can choose your desired color here. So this is our boss. So now I will exit the sketch, and now we will open our model. So this is the, if you see on the top, then this is the 50 mm, because here is a radius R25 here and R25 here. So we will do extrusion of a 50 mm from the mid plane. So I will go pad and I say symmetric to the plane. I enter the dimension 50 and I say OK. Now we will select this face and create the sketch, and we will include the geometry, this and this, and I will draw a 3-point arc. I will select this and draw a 3-point arc, and I will make it tangent. I will make tangent with this, tangent with this, and now I will close my profile from here to here and here to here. Okay, so we are getting some conflict error, so I will select it, and here it is highlighting tangent, so I will delete it. Now I will see why it is not constrained. Okay, so our radius is 25, so I will select radius, constraint radius, and 25. I will give 25. So it is 25. Now I will close my sketch and I will give cut, and I will say through all. Okay, so this is the pocket, and now I will mirror my part, because if I see my plane here, so if I visible my plane, then I have a mid plane, so I will mirror it. So I will hide it, press the space bar and press 0. So I will go in mirror features. the feature which I want to mirror is pocket, so I will select pocket and I will add the features, and I want to mirror with respect to this plane, which is plane XY. So I will select plane XY. So my feature got mirror here. Okay, same way I will select sketch on this face and draw the similar feature. I will press 0, so I will include this edge and this edge, and I will draw a 3-point arc here, and I will make it tangent. So I go to the top view and I will select tangent, and I make this tangent, this and this, and here I will select arc and point, and I will constrain it, and I will give dimension of radial, which is 25, and now I will close the profile. So my sketch is fully constrained. Now I will do the same cut. So I will go to the cut tool and I will say through all. I say OK, then I will select this feature, select mirror, and I add my, this is the my last feature, mirror 001. So I will cancel it. Sorry, this is pocket 001 which I want to mirror it. So I select pocket 001, add it. So sorry, here I forgot to select the axis, so it will be similar to the exit plane. So here my feature got mirror. So if you see our model, I move little bit here. If you see our model, so we have made our box, and we have adapted this fillet here and here. Now we will make hole and then we will do cut. Either you can first cut and then make hole, that's okay. So it doesn't matter which order you select. So okay, first I will make a cut. So I will select this face and I say create sketch. I press 0 because I like to draw the part in isometric view. So here I will draw a rectangle here. Okay, and I say the front view. So here I will include my edges here and here, and I will give my dimension. So from here edge it is showing 50, so I will give 50. So I select this point and this point, and my vertical dimension 50, and as we wanted to remove the material, so this dimension we will give approximate. And now I will select this and select axis, and I will make symmetric. This is symmetric, and now I will give my cut dimension is 20. If you see here, my cut dimension is 20. So I sorry, so my cut dimension is 20. So I will select my vertical line and I say 20, and I move it outside. Now this dimension, as we wanted to remove the material, so I will select horizontal and give dimension 60. So that dimension doesn't import it, but we want to remove the material, so there is no need to constrain it here. So I press 0 and I close my sketch, and I will go to the extrude pad, and I say here through all. Okay, through all means it will remove the material through all. There is no need to select the symmetricity to the plane because we have drawn the sketch on the face. If we have drawn on the mid of the plane, then we have to select the symmetry to the plane. That's okay. And now I have closed the sketch. Now on this face I will create the same sketch and do it, which is here at our top face, this one. Now we will make this cutout here. So let's do it. First I clean up my markup here. Okay, so this is also 50 from the edge and cutout is 20. So let's do it. So I will draw a rectangle here and I will project my edges, this and this, and I select this point and give horizontal dimension of 50. So this is 50, and I will select this line and this mid plane and make symmetric. Sorry, we select point, this point and this mid plane and make symmetric. Okay, so this is symmetric, and our cutout dimension is 20. So I will select this vertical line and give vertical constraint of 20. And now this dimension is approximate because we have to remove the material, so I give 60 and I move this dimension outside. Okay, so now I will press 0, go to the isometric, and I will close my sketch, and I will go to the cut, and I will say through all. Now if you see our model, we have approximately made all major features, and now all we have to do to adapt the whole. So we will select this face and say sketch, and I will project my geometry, and on this arc center I will draw the diameter, circle of diameter 20. So sorry, I select circle and draw the circle of diameter 20, and I will select this and say diameter 20. I move my dimension outside, press 0, close, and the whole features. So in whole feature, this is blind hole of diameter 20, dimensions through all from there to there, and no custom values, and I will say OK. Now I will select this face and I press isometric, and I will project my edge here, and I will draw my circle here, and I give diameter of 20. Our diameter is 20, and escape, and I will move my dimension. I will go to the top and move my dimension here, close it, and I go to the whole features, diameter 20, and this will be through all, no custom values. Okay, so we have modeled our part 103, and if you see here, the only thing is remain to the give the color to this part. So we can give it color, and here in the appearance options, and I will select the shape colors and some approximate color for my part, or I can fine tune it. I will go again appearances, and here you can fine tune the color. So it is more or less exact color. I am not able to find out, I have to fine tune it, but this is how I have modeled part 103 from website cadexpert.com. and If you have any suggestion regarding this model, this model or modeling procedure, you can leave your comment in the comment sections. So thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.